Yo, look what I just seen. What is this? Yo, that's lit. It looks like leaves, but it's actually birds. Should I scare them in? They'll move, huh? That's so crazy. There's so many birds. I just want to look. There's cars coming. I just want to scare them. That's actually crazy. They split. That one's right there, and then that one's in the middle of the road. Hey, there's birds. Oh my goodness. She gonna take them out. Nice. Now that's what I'm talking about. Whoa, they're all over me. That's so sick. I want to run towards it. I don't care. You only live once, right? Damn. Oh no, don't get ran over. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. All right. Well, hope you guys have an amazing day.